All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Michaela Wardeman, and I decided to do Freckle for my math website walkthrough. Right now, I am looking at the student view of what Freckle looks like. Obviously, there are some other subjects that you can use it for, but we are focusing on math. So if I go to the Math tab, and see what the students can see. They have some options. They can do practice, but they can only do that a couple times a day, and then there's an adaptive math section. If we go into the fact practice section, they will answer all these facts, and they can earn coins by doing that. If they go back to the other option, which was adaptive math, there are lots of different topics that they can work through here as well. There's a pre-test for everything, so they can take that and we can see where they're at as teachers with that particular area in math. For everything, they can earn coins, and then there's like a piggy store, and they can design their pig, or if they pick a different animal like a penguin or a fox, the different animals you can see on the side. I obviously don't have any coins, so I haven't earned any time to be in the piggy store, but you can earn time to be there. I can go into one of these and just start to show you what the like a pretest would look like, or what the questions would look like. Usually there is some sort of question, and then sometimes their answers are multiple choice like they are below. Oftentimes they might also have to type in an answer. If I answer this one, we'll see what kind of question I can get next. It took Maurice 22 minutes. And obviously it's not going to tell me if I'm right or wrong since it's a pretest. So this one, for example, I'd have to type in my answer and then I'd have to submit it. I'm going to log out of here though, and I am going to go to my teacher view of what the students look at. It's super easy to set up a class for your students. They just enter a class code once you have that code, and then they just put in their first name and their last name, and they are in. If I go to my teacher view, of what they are looking at, give you an idea of what that would look like. I can see a real-time classroom, so when I have my students working on here, I can see what they're working on. Obviously, no one's on right now since it's Sunday, so I can't see what they're doing. But after they have done some things, down below, they give me how long they've been on, what question they're on, what kinds of, what section they were in particular, and then what kinds of scores they are getting on those as well. You can assign individual assignments for them or a class assignment in any of the subjects. Once again, my roster, it's super easy to add your kids. Just type in their names and it generates a class code for you. I know me and my partner teachers share it, so we each have our own homeroom on here, and they know that they need to use her class code. My class knows they need to use my class code, but if you had different sections or something, you could make a different class code for each section, which is nice. Yeah, it's super easy to use, and there's not a lot to it, so that was kind of everything right there. It's really cut and dry for the students too. They know what subject they're in, and they have those subjects and topics to work on. So that's Freckle Math for you.